Hey guys, this is Mustard G on Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Sign Up Series 2433. Here we go. Ken James CV are in Tough Enough. I'm in Grazier Fire, the Choco Drive for Storm Damage, and Jackson Davis are in California. The rest of the trucks you can choose from. Your runner-up from last series: Crush Station, Whiplash, Wildfire, Doomsday, Scooby-Doo, Inverse Heredication, Celsius Max D, Surf Alternator, Obsession, Jester, Inverted Gravedigger, Gas Monkey Garage, Tasmanian Devil, Monster Domation, Racing Stripes, Time Flies, Zombie Hunter, Dragon Ice, and Thunder Walrus. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.